Hello, welcome back to Ultimate Skills Empire. This is the part 4 on our class on 3D animation. Alright, if you have not watched the part 1, 2, and 3 of this class, kindly go back to the channel and watch those parts because they are important in your 3D animation creation. Alright, today we are be talking about today's class is based on characters acting on the other characters, music effect and sound effect. So this is what we are going to be discussing today in this class. It's going to be a short class because we don't need to waste much time on this class. Stay tuned and watch. Launch your application. As usual, click on our startup button down below. Right, for the sake of our video, we will use the one we created while doing our green room effect. Right, we'll use that video, that sample to do effect on this class today. So if you want to create new video, you just click on create new plot. All right, so and it will take you to a new plot place. So what we are using is the video we created last time. If you can remember this video, we have used this, we have done this before. So what are we doing today? We want to discuss these three things right here. This one here, this one here, and this one here. These are the three things that we need to discuss right now. So the first of all, let us look at the first one. The first one is the what we called characters acting on the other character. That is characters acting on the other character. You click on it, you will see characters act on another character. So which character do you want to act? You click on the character and you choose the character that will act. You click, let us use a innocent, and you see innocent acts on manager. So what is the action? You click on the acts on, you choose the action. You can see actions here: cares, hug, kiss, pat, push. All of these are the actions that you can use. You use handshake. Let us use handshake. All right, click on play button. But you see that why the target, look at this, look at this, look at this. Target is what? Too far, which means it cannot work with, because you see the distance is too far. Let us change the scene. All right, let's change the scene to something else so that they will sit close to each other. Let's use our usual cafe stuff. All right, let us use our user cafe. So we can change their position left. This one should be right. All right, then let's change it to, yes, skip establishing shots with extras. This is always good to have extras on your animation. So now we have these things in place. Now let us see what action we said. Innocent shakes hands with manager. All right, that is the name of the characters that is on that place. So let's make it um, look real. So you will see how these characters will act on each other. Now let us play. You see that? That is the action. It shakes hands with the other. We can change the action right here. You can change the action. Let us say it is a hug. You see that? You see the effect? Let us change it to kiss. You see the effect? You see, you can use this. Let us change it to 5/2. You see that? This is, you play it. You see that? You see that? That is how you can put effort. It's still got tease. You get that? You see, all of this is what we can do to make your work make look sense. That's what you can make to make your work look more professional. Do you get that? So it's awesome. It is awesome. Very awesome. We see all of these effects is what we can use. You see that? You can do all this with your smartphone. Now, the that is how to add characters acting on the order. Now, the next one here is the sound effect. You click on that sound effect and you see sound effect is heard. What do? You choose the sound, the kind of sound that is heard. At this point you cannot use your own sound, you use the system made sound. So you choose the sound that is heard. You click on that sound effect, you see different sounds that is heard right here. So you can choose any type of sound. You can click on get more sounds or something like that. So you can choose any type of sound that you want. Let us choose something like crash, something like that, right? So the next one we are going to be looking at is the music effect. Look at that front here. The other one here, yes, that's the music effect. You click on that music effect, you see music is playing. You select the music that is playing right there. You can get more music from the get more music button. Then or you can select the music that you like in the list of the list that is shown here. Let's check our drum of war. Alright, let us play and see the effect. I hope you heard the sound. That is a crash is heard. Then drum of war will play when you play your music. Right? So that is how you can bring a character to act on the order. How you can add music, crash sound on your background. But then this method, I will teach you other method to add music on background. But right here, I just want to give you every details about this application. That's why I'm teaching you this particular session. All right. So this is the end of today's class. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you will get notified once we upload the next video coming up. All right, remain blessed and stay